welcome back to my channel. I'm Mackenzie, this is Jose, and in this video we will be taking you with us to our New York City trip. We are going to Top of the Rock, the American Museum of Natural History, the Edge Observatory Deck, last but not least, and my favorite, ice skating at Rockefeller Center.
Oh yeah.
So let's go. We have made it into our Airbnb. It is so cute. It's literally just one strip. We have the bed behind here. There's a little workspace, which Mila, come on. Which Jose is at the workspace. I'm sitting at this table, which is like the kitchen table, and then behind the camera there is a full kitchen, a refrigerator, stove, sink, and there's a bathroom. It's really cute. Does it give me moving to New York City vibes? Absolutely. Will I? Absolutely not. Anyways, I'll be sharing my itinerary that I created down in the description box below, so if you like this trip, you can do the things that we did in this video. I purchased a sightseeing pass for 2 people, me and Jose. I was able to select the number of attractions that we were planning to go, so we're planning to go to a total of 3 attractions. The Rockefeller ice skating was not included, and so I couldn't use it on that. But the sightseeing pass, we don't have to plan for a strict time slot. We can go, they tell us when the next time is, and we just go there. I bought the pass for $187. It saved me around $57, $58, so if that is something you're interested, I highly recommend checking out the sightseeing pass. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and we will see you tomorrow. Good morning, it is day 2. There are so many loud noises. We're gonna go get coffee and then go to the museum. There it is, the Dakota. Bros, look at the line.
African animal. Whoa.
What are you doing? We are moving on from the Achille Hall to, I'm not sure, but we're moving on. This thing freaks me out like so much. We are currently in the Hall of Ocean Life. I'll share with you how we got in. So using the sightseeing pass, what we did was we got in the line out front, we walked in, they asked what if we had a ticket, and we said we have the sightseeing pass, so they directed us to a shorter line, to which we presented our pass, they scanned it, and they gave us tickets. No fees or anything. Oh!
Ready?
So that was really easy, so I definitely recommend it. We didn't have to wait in that long of a line. We got here right at 10:20 and they open up at 10 a.m. So we literally waited in line for about like, what, 5 minutes? Where to next?
Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs. Let's go.
Using the app Explorer, we were able to get step-by-step directions to the next exhibit. This was really helpful because this museum, as you may know, is huge.
Fun fact about Jose, he knows the name of everything before we go up to it.
Oh, maybe.
Walking through this is crazy.
Yeah.
We need to leave. We're leaving. Let's go. I see an opening. Go! So now we have about an hour walking. So we're gonna go get something to eat and then we're gonna go to the Edge.
Then I walked through the Lincoln Tunnel.
There it is, the Edge! Bruh. So the wait time is over an hour and we cannot wait because we have to go to ice skating at the exact time. And so we're just gonna go there. We're about 2 hours early, but you know, we don't want to miss our ticket time. I'm super disappointed because I did not put into consideration how long the lines would be, and regardless of having a sightseeing pass or not, we still have to wait for the next available time slot. But we're gonna do our best and hope that we can get to do everything that we wanted to do. We have been trying to get to the ice skating entrance for literally 30 minutes, walking in loops. We are still lost. I do not recommend. We'll see when I get there, if we ever make it, but so far I do not recommend. We finally got in line. There's the tree. There's this like glass elevator thing. And the line is literally right there. Right there. That guy is letting us in that way. So if you see these, stand at this railing.
You have to buy the tickets. They're $100 per person.
Wow.
While the view of the tree was beautiful and I was excited to be in a spot where so many movies took place, I probably won't be doing this again. The rink was way too small for the amount of people, and trying to find the line to skate was very confusing.
Elf gave me unrealistic expectations. This is not that big.
After a total of 15 minutes of ice skating, we headed back to the lockers to go to the edge. P.S. Highly recommend sticking your ice skating sticker on this wall of stickers.
And here it is, the edge, take 2.
The entrance to the edge is located on the 4th floor of the shops and restaurants at Hudson Yards. The best time to go, in our opinion, is either right when they open around 10 a.m. or a little after 6 p.m.
So far, take 2 is faring way better than take 1. What? Did you say my butt crackers?
By the way, I'm mid-edit because the itinerary that I'm sharing in the description box is not what we actually did. Because what we actually ended up doing was god-awful and I would not recommend.
The outdoor sky deck is this way, friends. We have a great time. Welcome.
The Edge is the highest observatory deck at about 1,100 feet high. The outdoor deck is framed with glass panels and has a glass floor, allowing you to look 100 stories below. It has views from the tip of Central Park, down the Hudson River, to the Statue of Liberty.
Alright y'all, that was our New York City vlog. I hope that you enjoyed. We didn't do all 3 attractions like we planned to do, however we're okay with it because we are pooped. My legs hurt so bad. So anyways, thank you guys so much for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, all the things. See you guys soon. We will, no, shut up. His lens pops out. He's just walking around with one lens in, one lens out. Oh my god, was I looking at the viewfinder or was I looking at the camera? Practice, practice, practice. I feel like an Eskimo. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, alright. I knew it, I had an eye booker. You didn't tell me. Coffee, coffee, buzz, buzz, buzz. Woo! Oh my god! There's sparkly things everywhere. Oh my god! Wait.
Of course.
Okay. Tuesday's got to go to the bathroom. Oh, that was stupid. Taking off some layers. I did not know porcupines could climb trees, to be honest. You're doing such a good job, mate.